I am Sophia and I'm in second grade and I'm in Miss Reed's class, and today we're gonna be making an experiment of volcanoes. I chose volcanoes because I thought it would be interesting and they're cool, and I've always thought, how does the magma stay in the magma chamber without melting? What I know about volcanoes is that when the lava is actually in the chamber, it's called magma, and the chamber is called the magma chamber. So then when it gets pushed up by the force, it goes up, and then it is called lava. Okay, now I'm going to be making my volcano. So first, we have to be folding these down. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we have the base, we're gonna get our paint and paint the volcano. Okay, now that we have this, we're gonna use this material, put in the water, and then stick it on the volcano so it can be hard. Okay. So right now we're getting lots of it done. It's a work in process. It's getting sticky to my hands. Okay, so now that we have our base and this is dry, we're gonna go ahead and paint it, and I'll see you when I'm done painting it. Okay. I have to paint it. We have this nice color brown. And there's 2 pots of brown just in case one is already finished and I need more. Okay, so now that we are almost done doing the brown part, we are in progress with this. And we're almost gonna go to like the red, yellow, and orange. It's gonna be like the volcano coming out, and it's gonna be really cool, and it's gonna be awesome. Okay, now that I'm getting close to finishing, I'm gonna do the simulation, and I am do the experiment. Okay, so this is the lava coming out of the volcano. I'm trying. It doesn't have to look perfect though. It's looking pretty nice. It's looking pretty nice, guys. You have to turn it over so we can get to the other spots. Okay, so now we're gonna be using a teaspoon, some baking soda, and some vinegar. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna put the baking soda, 2 teaspoons, in here, and then we put the vinegar to make the eruption. Okay, so let's get 2 teaspoons. And pour it in there. So now we did that, we're gonna put this aside and add the vinegar. And that's how the eruption works. Let's try it one more time. We're adding the powder. And remember, you always have to use this with a parent's help and permission. Well, one last time. One spoon. It's really cool, right? And then the last spoon. La, 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 la. Okay, this is the last try. Whoa!